Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to create a split portrait poster in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, create a solid color background. I've already imported all the images used in this poster to save time for the video. I'll leave the download link in the description below so you can follow along. The process is simple. We will separate each model from the background and activate a layer mask. Then use the brush tool to hide everything except the head of each model. Press to increase or decrease the brush size. Next, adjust the black and white settings to get the contrast you want. You can also follow the settings shown in the video. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask, so the effect only applies to the layer below it. Press Ctrl+T to transform the object. We'll repeat the same process for the remaining 4 images. Feel free to speed up the video to save time. Now let's create a rectangle shape. We'll use it to create layer masks for the groups. Press Ctrl+G to group the layers. Hold Ctrl and click on the object to load the selection, then create a layer mask for the group. Unlink the layer mask so we can move the selection independently. Repeat the same steps for the other groups. You can freely adjust the objects inside each group because it won't affect the outer mask. Next, use the pen tool to draw a straight line with a 3-pick stroke. Create a layer mask, then use the gradient tool with black to fade the 2 ends of the line so it looks softer. Create 4 more lines like this for the poster. These lines help give the design more breathing space. Now, let's add some text. The font I'm using today is a bold sans serif font, which gives the poster a strong and modern look. Double-click the layer to open Layer Style. Add a white to silver gradient to the text. And apply bevel and emboss with the settings shown in the video. Then add a subtitle And now we have a modern split portrait poster. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some new techniques. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.